Self-exiled former ZANU-PF Politburo member Jonathan Moyo has accused former Finance Minister Tendai Biti of cowardice following the latter's announcement that he was taking a sabbatical from politics. Welcome back to Zim News Live YTS, where we give you latest updates about what's transpiring in Zimbabwe. Before we go any further, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates. Moyo said opposition leaders in Zimbabwe tend to run away from responsibilities. This comes after the former CCC leader Nelson Chamisa quit the party in January this year, alleging infiltration by ZANU-PF, followed by Fadzai Mahere and Alan Markham, who resigned from parliament a few days later. Moyo said Biti is just like Chamisa, Mahere and Markham, who bolted out and ran away from responsibilities. In today's news, self-exiled former ZANU-PF Politburo member Jonathan Moyo accuses Biti of running away from responsibilities. Let us know what you think in the comment section down below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates from our channel.